Hey, don't cry. I'll be out soon. He's mewing at me through the door. Thank you, Donnie. You did awesome.
Yeah, thank you.
Everything looks okay? Yeah, we covered the plants one more time. But I like your thinking. You took them into the garage because we're done.
That's right, I'm done.
And I'm going to fold up my pieces that go in the house. And
That's right.
yeah, I like that thinking.
I took my drop cloths and put them back upstairs.
Thank you.
Yeah, come on.
You stay, Stripe. Come on, Tux. Come on, Tuxie. Let's go, bud. Tux, come on. Just come right on past him. You're king of the yard. He knows better. Good boy. There you go, buddy. Good morning. Good morning. I'll move him. You eat and don't worry about him. He knows he can't come over here. He's not that stupid. Let me deliver you back. You don't have to be afraid, Morris. Hi, bud. Good morning. Good morning. It's just Mama. Got to be careful this time of year. You'll spark them. Sparking them, it definitely does not help with trust. Well, it's in the 50s. Birds are chirping. It's gorgeous. Sky is beautiful Carolina blue. Everything's coming to life for 2022. And all the kitties are here and didn't desert me out of impatience this morning. Hi, Tux. Good morning. He was out here crying. He came to see Gray. Hey, bud. I'm not after you. You can come see me. You haven't been causing Panther any troubles lately, so I don't run you off anymore. Hi, buddy. Good morning. Good morning. He won't come to me here. Too many times chased off. I'm out in Ruby, and I just dropped Johnny off at Taekwondo. He's volunteering as an instructor trainee for the earlier testing. I guess there's 3 testing slots today, so technically the middle one. And then he has his own testing after that. So it's 11:30 and I'm picking him back up at 3, I think. Yeah, Master Lee. There's a lot of glare right now. Master Lee, she asked for volunteers, and we decided it would be a good idea since he's here this weekend and we didn't have any other plans this morning to go and do that. He's trying to rack up some volunteer hours. It's really nice out here. I just blew the cul-de-sac. It was a lot of work, a lot of gravel, a lot of asphalt, a lot of sweet gum balls. It's much better, and I'm sure people driving over it and another couple of blows and it'll be back to where it was for the most part. I ordered these scarecrow steaks. They're very much like the St. Patrick's Day guy, and that's so if the cats get into something out here, they work really good for tossing in between them to break them up, distract them, and it's a inexpensive solution, so I'm gonna put those out. They're pretty cute. I know it's more for fall, but I tried to order ones with sunflowers and summer colors. I am pulling parts for another version of the police Cybertruck. It is the bigger and more parts of the 2 that I had previously built. And I have one more row left to do. Shouldn't be a problem for all these cool light things on here. It's a little dusty. I've kind of been dusting it. We have a friend coming over this afternoon that happens to drive a Tesla and is bringing a little something for Johnny and us, and I thought, well, I know they have a Cybertruck on order and that this would probably be, and is a Lego builder, that this would be an appreciated thank you gift. It's time to go get Johnny, and I'll pull the rest of the parts as soon as I get home. I'm sorry they left a mess for you to clean up, but I'm sure Gloria appreciates you, our neighbor there. It's kind of right on the property line, and you got the muscle and the tools, so us women, we appreciate you.
Yeah, I understand.
I'm going to get Johnny. I'll be back shortly. Is it going okay?
Yeah.
I guess it's mostly on the asphalt, the part they smushed up. You know, we get silt that kind of collects down here from the water running off in rainstorms.
Yeah, I'm filling in holes in
Oh.
the yard. Yeah, leave Ruby out and I'll black.
Okay. Yeah, we aren't walking today because we have just Saturday chores to do with Don working that he felt he really needed to work on, which I totally get that. There's only so many hours in the day and days in the week. And, you know, I'm doing stuff too, and Johnny had activities going on, and hopefully it'll be just as pretty tomorrow when we'll get over to the Greenway Trail. Another Tesla in the driveway. Yay! I like it. Wow. That is exciting. Johnny has a new toy to play with. So you press in and you turn the knob for selecting things.
So now we're disabling the stepper so we can move everything around. Now, the trick is that you don't do it at level at the corner, but you want to just have a thickness of enough of a sheet of paper, so then you move these knobs. Oops, I'm going the wrong way. Yes.
As a what, Donnie?
Alright, I'm just starting to get a little resistance, so now we'll move it over here.
So just when it doesn't quite want to slide out
starts
easily.
to grab.
Okay.
And then
so all four corners.
all four corners.
Okay.
Yeah, you might have to do this like 2 or 3 times. Okay, so we'll print from the card, and we'll do one of the we'll do the cat.
Appropriate for our house.
Of course. That's why. So now it's gonna reheat the bed up.
Well, that's okay.
Absolutely love to immerse myself in 3D stuff. I want to do the drawings.
Yeah, the behind the scenes stuff, not just the.
Right. I mean, this is fascinating.
Well, that's what the thing you learn from this is doing AutoCAD, and I think it's I don't remember all my answers, but
and then the Z-axis is up and down, and that's all still down.
yeah. So there's more.
Well, it stopped on us. We had it set to 50 degrees Celsius, and we were thinking maybe 55.
Go ahead, hit the dial again, and then go to tune. No, go back. I'm sorry.
How do I go back?
No, actually, scroll down to bed, hit it, and then roll it up to 55.
55?
55, yep. And then and then go back up to main,
Do we need a fan
and then
running
back
at all?
to info screen. It'll automatically run. You want to have the fan going. So now, you can try it again.
Aw, you're allowing yourself some attention. You're a good boy. This is our most visitor-friendly kitty.
You are a beautiful kitty.
Aren't you glad we have company tonight, Donnie? We get cheesecake.
That's right.
It's looking really good there. Hey, Stripe, did you put some footprints on David's car? Did you christen it for him? I wouldn't be surprised if there were some footprints over here on the car.
Nope.
We want to see Tesla on the garage door. Well, I wondered if it was straight on enough, but you would think.
You're still seeing the outline.
I don't know which part of the song they're supposed to show, or what the distance away would be for it to show up pretty. Aw. Because this is a December 2021.
Oh, maybe I'm pulled too close. I don't
Huh. All right, we're trying it one more time. More dark, farther away. You gotta love that little... I think that's where it showed it was right there.
So we're probably still too close.
You think it's showing it though? I don't really see a hint of... Huh.
Maybe not. Well, boo.
Have presents